Have you ever wondered how stars form and what happens when they die? In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating life cycle of stars, from their birth in massive clouds of gas and dust to their dramatic endings as supernovae, or quiet cooling as white dwarfs. First, nebulae as stellar nurseries. Stars begin in nebulae, clouds of gas and dust. Gravity pulls these gases together, forming dense regions that heat up into a protostar. Second, nuclear fusion ignition. When temperatures rise to millions of degrees, nuclear fusion begins, turning hydrogen into helium and releasing energy. This energy stabilizes the star, starting its life on the main sequence. Third main sequence. Stage. Most stars, including our Sun, spend the majority of their lives here. During this phase, they maintain a balance, steadily fusing hydrogen into helium. Number 5. Lifespan variability. Smaller stars live longer, while larger stars burn out faster. For example, a small red dwarf may live billions of years, while a massive blue star could last only a few million. Number 6. Expanding into a red giant. Once hydrogen is used up, stars expand and cool, becoming red giants. Our Sun will enter this phase, likely engulfing inner planets. Number 7. Different paths based on mass. Smaller stars, like the Sun, end here and transition to white dwarfs. Massive stars evolve into supergiants, setting the stage for a supernova. In 8th, white dwarfs. Smaller stars shed their outer layers, leaving behind a white dwarf that cools over time. Number 9. Supernova explosions and remnants. Massive stars undergo core collapse, resulting in a supernova. This explosion disperses elements into space, forming new nebulae. Number 10. Neutron stars and black holes. The core left from a supernova can become an ultra-dense neutron star, or, if massive enough, a black hole. Now, in the last, we can say that stars are the universe's forges, creating the elements that make up everything around us. Their life cycle, from birth to death, shapes galaxies and gives rise to new stars. Subscribe to our channel to learn these amazing facts about the cosmos. And next time you look up, remember, you're seeing the beginnings and endings of stars, each with a story billions of years in the